In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set margins for printing in PowerPoint. If you've ever printed slides and noticed text or images getting clipped at the edges, this will fix that. We'll make sure your slides match your paper, leave a safe zone around the edges, and use the right print settings so everything comes out clean. Start by confirming your slide size. In PowerPoint, go to the Design tab, choose Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. Pick the paper size you'll actually print on. Common choices are A4 or letter. And make sure the orientation matches how you intend to print, either portrait or landscape. Matching slide size to paper size prevents unexpected scaling or cropping later. If your presentation was created with a different size, PowerPoint may prompt you to fit content. Choose the option that keeps your layout closest to what you designed. Next, create safe margins on the slide. Most home and office printers can't print right to the edge, so leave about 0.25 to 0.5 inches of space all the way around. To make that easier, turn on Guides. Go to the View tab, select Guides, and add vertical and horizontal guides. Drag them in from each edge until they sit roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch inside the slide. These lines become your visual "do not cross" boundary. Keep text boxes, images, logos, and page numbers inside these guides so nothing gets cut off. Before you print, always preview. Go to File, then Print, and look at Print Preview. This shows how your slide sits on the page and outlines the printer's non-printable area. Flip through a few slides and check that all important content stays well within the printable area. If you see anything too close to the edge, go back and adjust. If something needs tweaking, move or resize your text, images, and shapes so they sit comfortably inside that safe zone. Pay special attention to footers, slide numbers, and logos, since those are often placed near edges. Keep elements aligned to the guides for a tidy, consistent look across all slides. Finally, choose the right print options. In the print window, use Scale to Fit Paper to ensure the slide fits within your printer's margins. This helps avoid tiny cutoffs on the edges. If your printer supports borderless printing, you can enable it for edge-to-edge results. Just remember that not all printers offer this, and some may still slightly adjust the image. When in doubt, stick with the safe margins you set. That's it. Set the size, mark safe margins, preview, adjust, and print with the right options for clean professional results every time.